Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to fix error 404 in Google Drive. So if you encounter this kind of problem, then this video is for you. So all we gotta do is go to our Google Drive app, and then if we this we can long press and then choose app info. So in here choose the notification, so we should allow all notification in Google Drive. And then after that, go to the permission. So also this permission must be allowed. So contacts allow, and then music and audio allow, photos and videos always show all, and there you go. After that, we can go to the storage and cache, and then we clear this cache. So remember, don't clear all the data so that you can save all your important data or files in your Google Drive. So just clear the cache. So and then after that we should go to our Google Drive, and then it should be fixed. And there you go.